Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be attempting the PSAT 2019 real test in the no calculator section. So let's get started. Number 1. Mario purchased 4 binders that cost X dollars each, 3 notebooks that cost Y dollars each. If the given equation represents the situation, which is the following is best interpretation of 24. So if Mario purchased 4 binders, that means that we don't know how much those cost. So 4 is the binders. 3 is the notebooks. So that means that 24 should be the total cost. And we see that C matches that answer. So our answer is C. Alright, number 2. The function C is defined by C of x equal to 2x plus 3, which of the following is the graph of y is equal to C of x. So if y is equal to C of x, this means that y is also equal to 2x plus 3. So that's our slope and y-intercept. Now we see that A doesn't have a y-intercept of 3, neither does B, neither does C, but D does. It has the y-intercept of 3 right here, 0, 3, and its slope is 2. So that means D is our answer. Okay, number 3. A city's total expense budget for 1 year was X million dollars. The city budgeted Y million dollars for experimental expenses and 201 million. Okay, so if for 1 year the total was X million dollars and the city budgeted Y million dollars for departmental expenses and $201 million for all of their expenses, so plus 201. We're not going to put the whole number, and so we're trying to put this in X and Y. So that means that X minus Y is equal to 201. So that means B is our answer. Okay, next question. This is ordered pairs. We just substitute each of these ordered pairs into here. We take the first one, 0 is less than or equal to 1, but 0 is not less than or equal to -1. So A is not the answer. We take B, 0 is not less than -1. Nope. 1 is not less than or equal to 0. Nope. And D, -1 is less than or equal to 0, and -1 is less than or equal to 0. So D is our answer. Okay, number 5. So we're gonna simplify this equation. So 2x minus 10 plus 3 times x, which is 3x, 3 times -5 minus 15 is equal to 10. That means 5x minus 25 is equal to 10. Now we take 25 to the other side, we get 5x is equal to 10 plus 25. That'll give us 5x is equal to 35. So x is equal to 7. But we're not done yet. It asks what x minus 5 is. So that means that 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So our answer is A. Okay, next question, number 6. What are the solutions to the given equations? This is quadratic equations. We're going to use the quadratic formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So that means minus 5. So this is the a value, and this is the b value, this is the c value. So minus 5 plus or minus square root of 25, 5 times 5, minus, so we have minus 4. So 4ac times 6 times minus 7. So that means minus 42 times minus 4. That should give us 168. So that's plus 168 because there's already a negative there. And 2a would give us 2 times 6, 12. So this is our equation so far. And if we see our answers, that's how it's written. And this matches A, so our answer is A. Okay, number 7, which of the following is equivalent to the expressions above? So 2x squared is equal to 4x squared plus 5 squared is 25. And then in this situation, we have to do 2ab, which is 2 times 2x plus 5. So that'll give us 20x, right? 2x times 5 is 10x times 2, yeah, 20x. And then we have minus x plus 2 plus 2x plus 3. So that'll give us 4x squared. We have minus 20x plus 2x. So 19x plus 2x is plus 21x. And then we have 25, 2, and 3. So 25 plus 2, 27. 27 plus 2, so then that's plus 33. Wait. 25 plus 2, 27. Yeah, 33. So that means our answer is A. Okay, number 8 was the y-intercept of the graph y is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 3 in the xy plane. If it's a y-intercept, that means that x is 0, we don't know the y, so that means that y is equal to 3 to the power of 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 3 to the power of 3, so 3 cubed. Y is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So that'd be written as 0, comma 27. So our answer is D. Okay, which expression is equivalent to 16 x squared root where x is greater than 0? So we can do square root of 16 first, which is equal to 4. So I know it's either A or B. And then now, since we can't do square root of x 16, we have square root of x over 16. But another thing is that because it's square root, there's a 2 over here. We can bring the 2 here, making it x to the power of 16 by 2 in fraction form. That'll give us x to the power of 8. So in simple form, this would be written as 4x to the power of 8. So that means our answer is B. Okay, number 10. In the xy plane square ABCD has its diagonals on the x and y axis. What is the area in square units of the square? So we have a triangle here, and I see that A is 5 units long, and so is B. So we don't know C. So if A square, which is the Pythagorean theorem, A square plus B square is equal to C square. A square 5 square plus B square 5 square is equal to C square. So C square is equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to 50. And because it's asking what is the area in square units of the square, if we add another part to it, but it does ask C square. So that means we're leaving it as 50. So our answer is C. All right, next question. Which of the following is the possible value of x times y? We have to remember that. Okay, so x squared is equal to, we can substitute this into y. 6x minus 6x plus 36. Then means x squared is equal to 36. That means x is equal to square root of 36, which is 6. So if x is equal to 6, now we find y. Y is equal to minus 6 times 6 plus 36. Y is equal to minus 36 plus 36. So y is equal to 0. So that means that when we multiply 6 times 0, we're getting 0. So our answer is A. Okay, next question. Miss Tabinelli deposits $20,000 in an account that has a 5% annual interest rate compound yearly. She does not add to or withdraw from the account for 2 years. How much interest will she have over the 2-year period? So it's a 5% annual, which means yearly. If it's 5% annually, that means that, so it is 5% annual. Okay, so Miss Tabinelli deposits $20,000 in an account that has a 5% annual interest rate compounded yearly. If she does not add to or withdraw from account for 2 years, how much interest will she have earned the 2-year period? So 5% is annually. So if it's 5% in 1 year, it's 2 years, that's 10%. So 20,000 times 10%, which is 10 over 100. That should give us 200, which is equal to 2,000. But then because it says 5% annual and we have 10%, we're gonna add extra 50 to it because of the 5%. So 0.05 with the 2. So we're adding 50. We're going to get 2,050. So that means our answer is D. And next question, number 13. What is an equation on the graph shown? We have an exact point here, which is 0, -4. That means x is 0, y is -4. We just look in here, we see A, x is 0. To the power of 0 is 1, 1 plus 4, 5. But y is not 5, so A is not the answer. B, 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 1 minus 4 is -3. Y is not equal to -3, so B is not the answer. C, y is equal to 2 to the power of 0, that's 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 5, which is -4. So that means C is the answer. Okay, next question. The function g is defined by g of x equal to half x minus 1. What is the value of g of 6? So g of x is equal to half x minus 1. Now we find g of 6. So g of 6 is equal to half times 6 minus 1. So that's equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So that's our answer. Number 15. For what value of x satisfies the equation above? So 6x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 12. Now we subtract 2x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 2. Okay, next question. 16. In the system equations above, c is a constant. If system has no solution, what is the value of c? So half x plus 8. Since both of them are equal to y, I can write the equation out like this. Now we have half x minus cx is equal to 10 minus 8, which is 2. So if it's no solutions, it would be written as something like 0 is not equal to 2. So then if this has to be 0, then c is supposed to be equal to a half, which will give us 0 is not equal to 2. So that's our answer. And now the final question. If 1 over x plus 1 over 3x is equal to 5, what is the value of 3x over 4? Now I can make the denominators by the same by multiplying this whole thing with 3. So times 3. So that'll give us 3 over 3x plus 1 over 3x is equal to 5. That means that 4 over 3x is equal to 5. 15x, we can cross multiply, is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 4 over 15. Okay, now we have 3x by 4. And so 3 times 4 over 15 by 4, that should give us 4 by 5 by 4. So that means 4/5 times 1/4. We find the reciprocal. That should give us 1/5 as our answer. So that's our answer. I hope this video helped you guys, and please consider to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.